every morning I dey use them for my face, wash am up before I use my routine. And trust me, if I just come up fast like the way my skin go dey glitter, dey shine like this, people go dey anybody who I give this thing, they don't most of the people that I recommended this method for, they usually tell me, after I wash it off, my skin was literally glowing. Like they notice the instant hydration and the glow where their skin just gets. And I used to you still dey there the dull. You don't want to follow this method. I say if I no post something where they work like this, I no try. If you know you're having redness on your face, hey, I'm about to give you the best remedy ever. This one they say, I don't have money to buy this. I don't have this one a remedy. You can get it. See, sometimes no look down on cheap things. So I say if I no can tell now this kind of remedy where they work, I no try. No longer in news. You guys are aware that the last video I posted on the home remedy on turmeric, honey, and the one I did on aloe vera and honey, that video almost has about 3 million views on all social media platforms. And the testimonies, the prayers, the testimonies, everything, like, it's too much. Like, people literally call me every time till date, I'm telling you. And I was like, I get this remedy plenty now. Make I share them for me. If you know you're struggling with redness, please take a chair. You know you're struggling with redness, intense redness and sunburn. You don't even buy product, you don't tire. See, one thing I usually do is this, right? I always advise my clients is always use home remedy. If I tell you, say me you use home remedy, my sister, you will see result, clock it. And that's on period. Honey is to darken me. Honey is not meant to lighten you, my love. It's meant to repair, nourish your skin, calm inflammation on your skin, also help to heal your skin. Do you know sunburn is like wound? Your skin they seem like wound though. No go to one yourself. Do you understand? So that's why I'm going to show you a very affordable, effective home remedy where they work like fire. They clap. Thank you. It's okay. So now, let me show you the product. See, this video no be video be saying a long talk. I won't just go direct. Make I show you guys. So you never subscribe to this channel, subscribe because you know what miss, because I could give you a banger to banger, and that's on period. And also share to somebody when you say they struggle with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, sunburn. This thing they work for acne, sunburn, hyperpigmentation, dark spot on the face. This thing they work for redness. They work for any inflammation. Even if you get melasma, you feel benefit from this remedy. You understand it? So I bet share for that person. I bet no to this selfish. If it's only you go to use, I know go tell the person. Do you get? If you know, say we don't know your neighbor, your sister, forward it to them. Using honey in this remedy, but honey is not the star girl in this remedy. This remedy now no be honey, now no be in the shine. The major thing where they shine at this thing I want to show now. And trust me, I've literally told the client to use this, and trust me, in less than 3 days, the client don't reply back. That thing you said I should use is working. Is working. And that's on period. Do you get? So one thing about me, when I say 3 days, you must see result in 3 days. But I don't mean say it depends on the kind of somebody you get to see your face go just clear all low. But you go know say, Kai, this thing don't work for me. It don't do something for me. You don't see signs. Say yes, this thing they work. Now, the star girl of this remedy is this product. It's not rose water. Calm down. But rose water is part of it. Now you can literally see my bottle they shake. So we see I make a shake in your side. You see that way they do galang. You see this redness will be say you they feel say you they shame, or maybe somebody they body shame you. Even your man. I thought say I said there's a lady that I gave some remedy to. She was like, her husband, like after like some days, the husband was like, what are you using? Your face has changed, like your skin is giving. Do you understand? Your skin has changed, your skin is giving. Like this girl literally, I gave her, after some home remedy, I now give her some products that she's going to use. Now she by herself, they tell me, if you see reviews, I posted that reviews one time and the lady face red way. Her husband started compliment her. They say her face is fine. So if you want me to get that compliment for your husband, watch this video and thank me later. This is what? Frankincense. Hey, you see this thing, they work past it comes to redness. Now let me tell you detail what this thing dey work for. Redness, acne, inflammation, on your skin. It dey work for sunburn. It's very good for anti-aging. If you notice your face here don't squeeze, maybe you don't use bleach cream, you don't come squeeze your face not too straight. My love, now this one, oh, you understand? Now this one. So what we need is a frankincense. Now we are using frankincense like that on your face. The way the thing they come, that's how this thing usually comes, right? This is how it comes. And so I dey buy them for leather. Do you understand? I got this for 500 naira. You see, say you no go buy too much, yes, your skin go clear, ba. You no go do too much, yes, your sunburn go leave your face, happy. Okay. I don't apply small of this thing for my face, and I say if I no want tell on this thing, I know to try. I no try. Why would they hold something be they work like this? Eh? Why? Eh? All you need to do is you want to stick to this page, my love. So I usually get some of it. Now, you know you're buying it in the store and they are going to when they are selling it for you, they will just carry their hand, fetch out. So what I usually do is when I bring it, I just put it in warm water to rinse it. Anything you apply for your face, you have to make it clean. Do you understand? Especially if you some way they deal with acne, you don't want anything that will irritate your face. So what I do is after I put it here, I will just add rose water to it. You see, I just add small rose water, then I will leave it for like 2 days or a day. A day save don't do 2 days too much. Or if you deposit them from morning till night, then the night me use them. So all I do, I use it in 2 ways, which I'm going to show you in this video. If you're struggling with acne, dark, if you're struggling with sunburn, redness, acne, hyperpigmentation of any sort, also good for anti-aging. Block it. So let me show you the first way I use this product. Now, you know you're struggling with intense redness. Like your redness, it's too mad. Do you get like your face? Like if you just enter sunlight, you don't red. You go they pepper you, they hot you. I had so many people that come to me, like some of my clients. Plain is whenever I go into the sun, my face will be so red. It will be burning me. It will be hurting me. My sister, calm down. You see this thing, it will calm your face down. And that sensitivity, redness where they get, you know, could they get them again? Just put use this as a toner for your face. Do you understand? You can use it morning, you can use it night, but use it at night, especially if you're going to use your aloe vera gel. But I'll still teach you how to use it in the morning. Now for your night, just get some and put inside cotton pad. Do you get? Use it as a toner. Dap it on your face. Dap it on. Do you understand? Dap on your face as a toner. The thing is very watery, so you might not literally see it like that as a toner, right? With a cotton pad. Now, after doing this, after dapping it on your face, the next thing you want to do, you go in and apply your aloe vera gel on your face as a face mask. Now, you can either go in and use your aloe vera gel as a moisturizer and sleep with it till morning, so your skin will be very soothing. Do you understand? This is aloe vera gel. Or use your moisturizer. If you have a ceramide moisturizer, something that repairs or a soothing moisturizer, just apply. My sister, in the morning when you wake up, you will see your redness not reduced, your skin is calm, it's not doing anything, it's not irritated, it's not doing busybody. Do you understand? Your skin is not irritated anymore. Just one day safe, you will already see results. And that's on period. Second way to use it, which is one of the best method of using this particular product, is using it as a face mask with honey. Do you understand? Using it as a face mask with honey and wash me. I used to wash it out. I do not leave it on my skin. And that's the truth. You can sleep over with it, but me, I cannot sleep with it. I leave it on for 30 minutes. If you don't see your skin bad, at least leave it for 1 hour. Do you understand? If you have the time, but if you know you're rushing, you can do it. Anything from 10 minutes, go down to 1 hour. It's fine. Do you understand? That's the best way to use this product. Before I apply it with honey on my face, I want to go and wet my face. I need my face to be a bit damp before applying this, because I'll tell you the reason when I'm back. If you follow me for this page, you will not say I'm not going to allow you waste money. You see, say I know they allow and waste money. Now when I did this page, because home remedy I did here, skincare, very professional. In case you don't know, I'm a certified esthetician. So when it comes to skincare, when it comes to any recommendation I make for you, take them serious. It work. Do you get? So this is my honey. You guys can remember this honey from the previous video. This is my frankincense, right? Normally, I would just go ahead and get a container, but trust me, I will not lie to you guys. Most days, I don't use it in a container because most days I'm always rushing. So what do I want to do? I'm rushing because I just want to benefit from this because I know what this thing they do for me. If I use the kind glow I they get the kind glow where they get the kind glow where they get if I apply this thing on my face. That's why I know the one make I miss am. I don't want to say every time, every morning I dey use them for my face, wash am up before I use my routine. And trust me, if I just come off as like the way my skin go they glitter, they shine like this, people go they anybody why I give this thing, they don't most of the people that I recommended this method for, they usually tell me, after I wash it off, my skin was literally glowing. Like they notice the instant hydration and the glow where their skin just gets. And I used to the doll, you still they hear the doll, you don't want to follow this method. Hear the doll. My sister, start doing this and take me later. So what I'll do is I'll just go in. I'll not like this is what I'll just do. I'll just go in with my honey, right? You can literally see my honey on my palm, right? If I tell you that I used to use it in a container, I might be lying. Do you understand? But use it in a container, especially your son. You know I'm used to this thing. Do you understand? But if you know you're somebody that you are starting out, like this is your first time, please use it in a container so it will not spill all over your face. And the second thing you need to do, you see this particular product, bring it out from the fridge. If you have a fridge or you have a freezer or whatsoever, then you just go because that will help to calm your inflammation. If you someone will get eye bag, they apply for that area, you go bring and like the next morning when you wake up, you go see say this place don't go down. You know, so you get eye bag, your skin, your face is always swollen when you wake up. There are some people they wake up when their face is always swollen. Do this method and thank me later. If you know you're waking up with acne, inflammation, use this and thank me later. So you see the honey in my hand. So I'll just go ahead and put small of this. Maybe they use too much, oh, just small because you know it's watery. So you see, say, so I just go in and apply it like there on my face. Yes, I use container, but most times I'll not lie, I don't use because most times I'm rushing. I just want to rush. Make I just no see. I just want my nose to still applying for my face so that that shiny look way they give me that. So that is all, right? Just go ahead and note when using this. You're not expecting to lighten up. Before those of you that understand that they send me say, but my face is not light now. Eh, is it a bleaching cream? I'm giving you this to repair your skin. See, if you know you're expecting your face to be light when using all of this remedy, please don't waste your time. And one thing you need to know, you see these people that are using, you're using face creams for 7 days back to back. The one way they annoy me past now people wey they use face cream. When you ask them, so what are you using? I use, let me just give an example. I'm using beauty bright face cream. Maybe it's a lightening or whitening face cream. That's the only product that person has. There's nothing like toner to hydrate to calm the skin. There's nothing like moisturizer. There's nothing like serum. Only one face cream from January to December, and a whitening face cream. My sister, you way your face go taste squeeze, eh? The way your face go take red, and if the lighting no go even fine. You come up from yellow, you come the red. You come up from light. If you want to lighten up, at least use your face cream for 3 days or 2 days. The other days, moisturizers, toners, name it, aloe vera gel. At least aloe vera gel if is cheap, you can literally buy it and use it on other days. All those redness, you could stop them, you know, go get them. You get, but if you already have it, and you see this remedy, even though you don't have it, and for the fact that you're using a lightening face cream, be using it all because it will help you to prevent you not to have redness on your face. I don't want to talk too much. This is the best remedy you want to use so far when it comes to redness, inflammation, acne, name it. See, anything you just see, even though you don't get anything for face, just the use them. Now don't accept your skin go too glow. Now I've decided to be calling you guys name, and I thought about it. I said I'll be calling you guys my besties. I'll be calling you guys my besties. I wanted to say my favorite besties, but I just feel like it's common. But I'll be calling you guys my besties. And I'm doing this at the end of the video, so I go know those people where they really watch my video to the end. So I'll be calling you guys my besties. Favorite esthetician. Make sure you're following the page, liking it, sharing it. That it could ginger me, made new content they come ahead. Make a day creative, make a day post on our videos where they work.